Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel, the Digital Institute of Computing Technology. In this presentation we will have discussion on the topic Introduction to Python Programming Language, Python features and its installation process, and finally its applications. So, let's start. Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language known for its readability, simplicity, and versatility. Created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python has grown to become one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It is used in a wide range of applications, from web development and data analysis to artificial intelligence and scientific computing. Features of Python programming language: easy to learn and use. Its clear, intuitive syntax makes Python an excellent choice for beginners. Interpreted, executes code line by line, allowing for quick testing and debugging. Dynamically typed, no need for explicit variable declarations. Memory is allocated dynamically at runtime. Extensive standard library. Rich standard library supports common programming tasks like file I/O, system calls, and data manipulation. Object-oriented, supports object-oriented programming paradigms for creating reusable and modular code. Cross-platform, can run on various operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Community and ecosystem: large, active community with a vast ecosystem of libraries, frameworks, and tools. Now, let us see how to install Python on Ubuntu and Windows operating systems. Generally, on Linux systems like Ubuntu we run Python on terminal, whereas on Windows we may use IDE like PyCharm. So, let us see installation process. Firstly, to install Python on Ubuntu, use the following steps on the terminal. Update package list using the command sudo apt update. Install Python 3 using the command sudo apt install Python 3. Verify Python installation using the command python 3 version. Install pip Python package installer using the command sudo apt install python 3 pip. Verify pip installation using the command pip version. To install Python and PyCharm on Windows, use the following steps. Download Python installer from the URL python.org. Run Python installer and follow the installation wizard. Check Add Python to path. Then click Install now. Verify Python installation on command prompt using the command python version. Verify pip installation on command prompt using the command pip version. Download PyCharm installer from the URL jetbrains.com. Run PyCharm installer and follow the installation wizard. Select options and install. Launch PyCharm. Open Start menu. Search for PyCharm. Click PyCharm Community. Configure Python interpreter in PyCharm. Go to File Settings. Project. Project name: Python interpreter. Create a new Python project. Go to File, New Project. Now let us see the applications of Python programming language. Web development, web frameworks, Django, Flask, REST API, server-side scripting. Python is used to build dynamic websites, handle server-side logic, and create RESTful web services. Data science, data analysis, pandas, NumPy, data visualization, matplotlib, Seaborn. Python simplifies data manipulation, statistical analysis, and visual representation of data. Machine learning, ML libraries, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Keras, PTorch. Python provides extensive libraries for building, training, and deploying machine learning models. Artificial intelligence, natural language processing, NLTK, SPA-Sci, Computer Vision, OpenCV. Python is used for processing and analyzing human language data and creating vision-based applications. Scientific computing, simulation and modeling. SciPy, SimPy, research computing. Python supports complex mathematical calculations, simulations, and symbolic computation in research, automation and scripting, task automation. Selenium, Pyautogi, DevOps tools, Ansible. Python automates repetitive tasks, manages infrastructure, and facilitates continuous deployment. Finance, quantitative finance, algorithmic trading, risk management. Python is used for financial modeling, automated trading strategies, and managing financial risks. Game development, game engines. Pgame, Panda 3D, prototyping game logic. Python aids in creating games, prototyping gameplay mechanics, and developing game logic quickly. Cybersecurity, security testing. SCAPy, Nmap, exploit development. PON tools. Python helps in network analysis, penetration testing, and developing security exploits. Embedded systems, microcontroller programming. MicroPython, IoT development. Python is used to program microcontrollers and develop Internet of Things, IoT, devices. Education, educational tools. Interactive learning platforms. Jupyter Notebooks. Python is used to create educational software, interactive lessons, and collaborative coding environments. Healthcare, medical data analysis. Bioinformatics, BioPython. Python assists in analyzing medical data, genomics research, and biological computation. Robotics, robot programming. ROS, automation systems. Python is used for controlling robots, automating tasks, and developing robotic applications. Cloud computing, cloud services management. AWS, SDK for Python, Boto 3. Python manages cloud resources, automates cloud infrastructure, and interacts with cloud services. Media and entertainment, media file processing. Animation tools. Blender scripting. Python processes and manipulates media files, and scripts animations in 3D modeling software. Natural language processing, text processing. Sentiment analysis. Chatbots. Chatterbot. Python analyzes text data, determines sentiment, and develops conversational agents. Chatbots. Blockchain, cryptocurrency analysis. Smart contract development. Python is used for analyzing blockchain data and developing decentralized applications. DApps. Considering its wide range of applications, it is nothing wrong to say that Python is the language of the future. Hope you enjoyed and liked the presentation. Remain connected with us by subscribing to this channel for latest updates on this channel. Thank you.